Hello, welcome back to the CAPSIM Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips around one HR Finance TQM decision. You can watch via the video for the details of R&D, marketing and production, and now we focus on round one HR Finance. So follow this, you can apply for all the 8 rounds. I will give you more detail in the next video. But round one is very important. Walk through for round one step-by-step guide for round one, so we can win the top result. Like you see on the screen, top result much higher than all competitors in 8 rounds, right? So look at round one for HR Finance and TQM. I show you the detail now. So now we said this is for the human resource, right? For the human resource, we have 2 decisions to make. Spend recruiting, spend max 5,000 training hour, max 80 hours. We can set that from next round to get the best workforce. For the finance, we in round 1, 2 and 3 we need the max 3 sources of fund we can have. So issue the max stock here, you see the number here, right? And current batch we borrow the max here, right? So 10,000 we can, and also maximum long-term debt, so we can issue 8,000 here, means 80 million, and then we can get about 30 to 50 million here to reserve the fund so we can avoid any emergency loan. And in that case, we will have the top sales here, right? You see very high sale and nearly 30% of contribution margin. We can increase that to 50% after a few rounds, and then you get 8,000 here, nearly 5% of net profit. It is okay, because in early rounds we see that early round we spend the same amount, very high amount for promotion and sale, right? So focus on sale and focus on promotion and sale in focus on revenue and promotion and sales in the early rounds 1 to 3 to invest, and then we can get top sale, top profit in later rounds, right? You see that we can increase 70% of sales. That's very good result for round 1. That's right. And then if you have any question, you can send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Make sure we did the right. Check the other video for the R&D, for the marketing, for the production, and then HR Finance TQM 6 table of decision, and then you can get a very good start and win on the 8 rounds you see on the screen. If you have any question, just send the email or get the free support for round 1 and round 2 so we can get the right start, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.